The kitchen spaces in these images clearly reflect the evolution from a purely functional kitchen into a true, living kitchen, a space where cooking is no longer separated from everyday life, but becomes the emotional and social center of the home. The value of the design does not come from visual luxury alone, but from the way architecture creates a continuous living experience between people, nature, and daily activities. What makes these kitchens particularly powerful is the almost seamless fusion between interior space and landscape. Instead of being enclosed by walls, the kitchen opens directly toward gardens, water features, and natural light. As a result, the experience of using the kitchen feels less like being indoors and more like living within nature itself. The sound of cascading water, reflections on stone surfaces, moving tropical foliage, and the openness of the architecture together create a calming atmosphere rarely found in conventional modern interiors. Within this spatial composition, the kitchen island becomes far more than a functional object. It acts as the living spine of the house, a place where cooking, conversation, dining, working, and gathering naturally happen throughout the day. This reflects a major shift in contemporary lifestyles. The kitchen is no longer hidden behind the scenes, but has become the space where the strongest human interactions take place. The elongated island reinforces the sense of spatial flow, visually connecting the kitchen to the lounge areas and outdoor landscape. At the same time, the continuity of materials, natural stone, dark timber, pebbles, and textured surfaces, allows the transitions between spaces to feel soft and organic rather than sharply divided. This is one of the defining qualities of modern tropical architecture. Spaces are organized through movement, atmosphere, and emotional continuity rather than rigid boundaries. Lighting also plays a deeply emotional role within the design. During the day, skylights and large openings allow natural light to penetrate deep into the interior, creating constantly changing shadows across wood, stone, and water surfaces. At night, warm indirect lighting hidden beneath the island and ceiling planes softly highlights the texture of the materials instead of creating dramatic decorative effects. The result is a space that feels intimate, warm, and deeply atmospheric. Another important aspect is the way nature itself becomes a living material within the architecture. The waterfall is not merely decorative, it regulates the emotional tone of the space through sound, movement, and reflected light. Plants are not treated as accessories, but as spatial layers that soften the relationship between architecture and human life. Stone, timber, water, and greenery together create an environment that feels grounded, tactile, and emotionally restorative. At its deepest level, the living kitchen concept represents a transformation in how people define home. The kitchen is no longer a hidden service zone designed only for efficiency. Instead, it becomes the heart of the house, a place where cooking, relaxing, social connection, and interaction with nature merge into one continuous living experience. In an increasingly dense and fast-paced modern world, spaces like these respond to a growing desire for slowness, balance, and emotional well-being through architecture.